Hey guys, I'm Evelyn, and this guy named I had to like delete all my footage because this guy he keeps following me around and ruining my game. It's really mean. Okay, I think he's gone. Okay, so hi, my name is Evelyn. I'm a new YouTuber. I do my Gotcha channel named Evelyn Emma EE. I think I linked that down below. Let me see if that guy with the name is here. Okay, which simulator first? Okay, so it's my first video. I'm Evelyn, and today we're playing Grinch Simulator. Oh, I have to delete all my Santa Says footage and everything because that guy. He like ruined it. It was so mean. Guys, don't ruin people's games when they're just trying to have fun sometimes. Um, I don't blame the guy because maybe he just wanted to play with me or anything. Like totally not his fault that much. He ruined my game and everything, but I'm not angry at him. Maybe he just wanted to play around and stuff. It's not the biggest problem in the world. Don't you dare tell me that guy. I don't want any more people like seriously like bullying me in this game. I'm not getting bullied actually, but I'm just like okay, everyone keeps missing up all the presents. I think I'm like in the top lead here. So yeah, I'm playing Minecraft because everyone said, "Hey, play Minecraft. It will give you amazing views." And I'm like, "You serious?" I'm just saying like, it's that easy to get people to like me in this place. And by the way, it's not about fame. I just love doing YouTube videos and talking to people. I'm a chatterbox actually. Everyone tells me to shut up sometimes. But yeah, this is getting awkward. I'm just talking to people I have no idea to. Actually, probably no one even knows I'm this YouTuber. Actually, in I'm so smart. Okay, in my defense, I actually did like when the guy was bullying me. I was like, I'm weak. I was weak, but I didn't want to actually get him in trouble or anything, so I deleted the footage. And he still kept annoying me. So if that doesn't mean very annoying person to you, I don't know what does. Okay, everyone keeps missing out on the presents. How is no one like getting these? It's like my, is this my birthday here? I don't even get this many presents for my birthday. What? I hope you guys enjoy these videos. Oh my gosh, I want 15 presents. I'm so rich. Nah, I'm not. Did I just break into someone's house by the way? And just like coming to that conclusion, I broke into someone's house. Is that illegal? Okay, there's still 89 gifts. You know what, like? I'm gonna say by court, it's not illegal. I should totally put sound effects on that. Okay, do any of these doors open? Does any? Okay, 86. Oh my gosh, still a lot of people are gonna get in front of me. I don't wanna get like last place. Sounds pretty obvious, of course, no one ever. Okay, if no one gets me at least a third place, I'm okay. Um, oh, hey, missed you. About 16 total presents. I got second place. Yay. That's so nice. I got second place. Of course, always there are presents up in the windows, but I can never reach them. Like right there, you see that present? I can't reach it. Oh, a present in there. I see it. Oh, it's all laying there all alone. I don't think it's a present. I think it's an ornament. Okay, time left 10. Wait, are there presents ever here? It's worth a shot to look. Santa didn't leave me any presents. Wow, how rude. I got second place. Yay! Oh, yeah. Okay, well, I'm gonna go Secret Santa. Not Secret Santa. Hypixel Santa Says. I'll be back. Uh, Santa Simulator? No. I didn't want to be Santa Simulator. Disconnect. Excellent. Um, where Santa says. Okay, let's go. Okay, I got a bunch of people I invited. Yay! Oh my gosh, I love her outfit. It's so pretty. Actually, it's kind of plain, but pretty also. Okay, let's go. One round. Clicking armor. Throw diamond at players? Oh my gosh, this is like a dream come true. Oh my gosh, it's so popular. People are showering me. Look with diamonds. Your inventory completely full. Okay, so the trick to this is just take a piece of coal. Okay. It was make an iron golem. It's easy. Oh, oh, oh. I don't know. Give grandma a flower? My grandma's a witch. What? Oh, I failed the game. Eat mushroom stew. Okay. It was kind of weird when they showered me down. I just said, they showered me. Give me all the presents. I think Glitch Simulator are the best at this anyway. Give me all the presents. Successfully enter the nether portal. What are those people doing going to? Climb to the middle. No! Aw. Wear Santa's hat. Ho ho ho. Insert a music disc to the jukebox. Place a beacon on top of here. No, I don't know how to. Get yourself to full health. Potion of healing. Potion of regeneration. Golden apple. Oh no, no. Okay, give Rudolph a red nose. Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer had a very sweet nose. Shoot yourself with an arrow. That's a bit hard, you know. Really hard. Throw a snowball at treasure. Oh, Snowball finds hay? You know what you're doing with the Snow Queen. Okay, well, next game. Present Rush! Present Rush! We're just gonna stay here, aren't we? Oh, look at this map. It's so cool. Okay, only a few people are in Present Rush, but yeah, what you have to do is get all the things and put them in and make stuff, I guess. Okay. Well, this is a cute map. Let's go. Are there any loot, as in things? Well, seriously, where is everything? Oh no, a piece of coal. I don't even get a piece of coal. I've been really good this year for your info. Like, really good. Super good. Too good to be true. No, I really haven't, actually. I've been pretty bad. Okay, so let's just steal everything from people. I mean, borrow. Like, you totally misunderstood me. Like, I never take anything from other people's bases. I'm a fair player. Yeah, I'm trying to be famous. I'm not. No, all my materials. Okay, we gotta go quick, 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 quick. Boom, boom. Uh, get in. Get in. That's such a base. Oh wow, a lot of stuff, a lot of stuff, a lot of stuff. I'm so glad. What are these? Um. Okay, now where's my base? I actually died to get to my base. So it's light blue. Uh. Okay. Let's go to light blue. I got you light blue. Okay, okay, okay. So, what? That's someone else's? Of course. Gray. I'm gray, actually. Oh, I hate my life here. No! Oh, I'm so scared. I'm scared. Okay. Gray. Please be my gray. Please be my base. I cannot deal with this panic attack any longer. Okay. My base. Let's let's go. Ho ho ho. Oh my gosh. Gray got 20. Oh my gosh, purple got like 220. I'm a failure. Big failure. Okay, yeah, we're gonna go for a different curse. Boom. No! Okay, 8 seconds anyway. This is my factory. Oh wait, I have 61. Better than, oh yeah, I'm in